this is my iPad. Okay, I'm going to start with looking at the hardware or the technology features of the iPad. So this button down here is called the home button. And I can press this button to wake up my iPad and turn it on if it's asleep. So right now my iPad's sleeping and I want to wake it up. So I press on the home button. And when I press on the home button once, my iPad lights up to say yes. But if I press on it twice, it'll open or unlock my iPad so it's ready for me to use. Now, along the side here, we have two little buttons. These buttons control the volume or sound of my iPad. So I can put the volume up or down with these buttons. When I flip over to the back, in the top corner here, you can see this nice little square or circle, sorry. And this is the camera. This is the viewfinder of my camera. So when I'm taking photos or videos on my iPad, I'm looking out of this thing here, out of the viewfinder. And that's how I'm managing to get the photos and videos. This button here, this is my power button. So this is what lets me switch my iPad off or turn it on. So you can see when I press it, the lights come on. So it's on. If I press it again, it turns my iPad off. The last important thing of my iPad is this at the back here. And it's right under the home key. And this is my charger port. This is called a micro USB charger port. And this is where I plug in the charger to get electricity to my iPad. So here's my charger and here's my charger port. And I'm going to plug it in so you can have a look. So now my iPad is on charge. Okay. Let's turn it on and have a quick look at some of the software features of my iPad. So my iPad is now on and you can see it's taken me to my home screen. And on my home screen, I have lots of little squares and these little squares are apps. So apps are programs that I can do things inside of. So one app that we use quite a lot is Seesaw. So when we click on the Seesaw picture, it will take me to my Seesaw app. And I can do things inside Seesaw. Now, the apps along the bottom here in this little grey box are inside the box, which is called the dock. Now, the dock is where the apps that I use a lot sit. So you can see I use Seesaw a lot. So Seesaw is inside my dock. I also use email a lot. So email is inside my dock. Have a go and see if, now I have lots of different pages. So when I flip through my pages, you can see these circles here, the different pages that I have to my iPad. And I can go to the different pages by swiping. So using my finger and just flicking across. You can see I have lots of pages and lots of apps on my iPad. Okay. If I make a mistake like there, I can just press the home button and it will take me back to my home screen. Have a go and see if you can label the hardware and software parts of the iPad on the Seesaw activity.